Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Sterling. A lot of people call me JR. In this video, I'm going to be working on proper body positioning and kind of gaining trust in my tires. I currently ride a CRF 150 Supermoto, and today we are at Apex karting track in Southern California. So there's my homie James on his KX 250. So if you saw the title, you know that me and him are going to be battling. He had a displacement advantage, but I held my own.
Are we going out this side?
Here's his Instagram, follow him. And while you're at it, follow me, subscribe. So yeah, I'm still relatively new to riding, so I'm not typically talking when I'm on the bike. This is my first session back from doing parking lot drills, figure eights. James actually was the person who invited me. It worked a dream for me. It shaved about 4 seconds off my time a lap, so that's a really good thing. And that's from one session. So this is going to be a series of videos that I'm going to release. All POV videos, a couple of spliced in videos from my friends' cameras.
But first,
watch my homie take this L right quick. Round one. Give me that.
Got him! Got him!
So yo, I can't even lie. I'm pretty proud of how much speed I'm able to carry into this corner, and also how much speed I'm able to maintain throughout the corner. I remember the first time I was on this track, this part right here was the hardest part for me, and now it's literally my favorite part, especially this section right here. I'm working on getting on the side of the tire a little bit sooner in this corner, and also making my movements a lot more fluid into this corner so I can set myself up better for this corner, which I feel like is key to getting good drive coming into this straightaway. And then you always have the awkward false neutrals.